Why are you sad?
Today I become jobless. My boss fired me from the job.
So sorry.
I don't know how will I earn money? I am very upset. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry. It's 2022. You can make money online from your home.
Yes, I know we can make money online. But I don't know how to make money online.
Okay, in this video I will share my top 10 ways of making money online with you and my viewers. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. And hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. These methods will be able to help you make a lot of money from home and at the same time help you gain more knowledge about internet marketing. There are so many different opportunities that we can take advantage of when it comes to making money online in today's world. However, some people do not know how they can make a decent amount of cash on the internet by using their skills and expertise. Which is why I have compiled a list of the top 10 ways to make money online in 2022. These methods are simple and easy to follow, so if you are interested in making some extra cash on the internet, I recommend you to watch the full video. Number 1. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the best way to make money online.
Oh great. What is dropshipping?
Dropshipping is an online business model for selling products, where the retailer sells goods without keeping them in stock. There are 3 key components to dropshipping. Find which type of products you wanted to sell. Find suppliers of products. Order the selected products from the supplier and deliver to the customers.
How can I ship the products to the customers?
The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The retailer does not have to maintain inventory or warehouse the products. Benefits of dropshipping. As dropshippers ship directly from suppliers, they do not incur any expense related to storing and warehousing goods, which means that dropshipping can be more profitable than having an in-house store or retail outlet. This also helps them avoid paying high transportation costs when sending out orders, because dropshipping allows retailers to use the internet as a distribution channel instead of using traditional methods such as couriers. Dropshipping can help reduce the cost of selling online. How much you can earn as an online dropshipper? The average salary in dropshipping is $25,000 per year according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Dropshipping is a good way for retailers who do not have to stock their products, but are looking for additional income streams. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel. Don't say that. What is YouTube?
No. I know.
The best way to make money online is by starting a YouTube channel.
How we can earn money on YouTube?
There are many ways to earn money with your YouTube videos, but the most common ways people earn money on YouTube are through ads and affiliate partnerships. How to earn money on YouTube through ads? By setting up a Google AdSense account, which will give advertisers access to your YouTube videos, you can start making money on the side. You could also monetize your video content by selling ad space on your channel. The more views and subscribers you have, the more likely people will buy ads to reach those viewers and subscribers. If you are starting with a new YouTube channel, using Google AdSense is probably best for monetizing since it's straightforward. How much you can earn as a YouTuber? Earning potential of a YouTuber is far beyond ordinary people, and not even millionaires can attain it. Hence, word on the street is that becoming an affiliate marketer along with a YouTuber will be a great idea during your journey to become wealthy online. Number 3. Become an influencer. A popular method of making money online is by becoming an influencer. What is influencer? Influencers have a large following of fans, and they make money by selling off their own experiences to people who want to learn more about them or use them as a role model.
How to become an influencer?
This can be done through blogging, podcasts, social media, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, Twitter tweets, and more. How influencers make money? Some influencers will collaborate with brands on sponsored content to earn some extra cash, while others are just promoting products on their channels for the love of being able to share their opinions with others. Build a list and sell products from your channel. If you have built up a large following on your channel, you can ask them to buy products in exchange for the email addresses of their friends. How much you can earn as an influencer? Earning potential of an influencer is huge. You can sell your own products or services on e-commerce websites. An influencer earns an average of $2,970 per month. There are, however, significant income differences, depending in particular on the number of followers of accounts. The average monthly cost of micro-influencers from $1,000 to $10,000 is from $500 to $1,420. Number 4. Start a successful podcast. Podcasting has been a growing medium for aspiring authors and entrepreneurs to make some quick cash in recent years. In fact, as of April 2022, there were over 2 billion podcast subscribers worldwide, with around 170 million new subscriptions each month. Moreover, the average U.S. household spends 114 minutes a day listening to podcasts on their smartphones or other devices. Many people have taken advantage of this trend by creating podcasts about topics ranging from health and wellness to finance and entrepreneurship. A popular form of monetization is advertising, which can be done through either email or direct ads. How to become a successful podcaster? When creating a podcast, you will need to decide what type of content you want to produce, and then create an outline for each episode in order to guide your process. The best way to do this is by outlining the different types of questions that listeners might have about your topic, and how you plan on answering them during the episode. How much you can earn as a podcaster? Some companies will sponsor your podcast, which can be very lucrative. The top podcast earners can get $13,000 per month. However, the average earning can be around $7,272 per month. Number 5. Freelance video editor. Making money online can be difficult, but there are many ways in which it is possible. One way that you could earn money online would be by becoming a freelancer. You can become any type of freelancer depending upon your skill and your interest. For example, by becoming a freelance video editor. If you are interested in editing videos for companies, this could be a great way for you to make some extra money on the side. You could also start your own YouTube channel, where you can share videos of yourself editing videos and teaching people how to do the same. You will need a good camera and a good PC to get started with this type of work. But once you have one, you will be able to start making money online. Video editing is a great way to earn money online because you can use the skills that you have developed in your previous career to start making money from home. How much you can earn as a freelancer? The average salary of a freelance video editor is $26 per hour or $53,958 per year. However, the top 10% of freelance video editors can even earn more than $84,000 per year. We will discuss about the other 5 methods to earn money online in part 2. So please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of part 2. Okay, bye bye and have a good day.